Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Green Meadows. This is Gurmeet Kaur and today I am going to show you the update of this Peperomia scandens what I have that day propagated in my other video. That is the first part of the video, and today I wanted to show you the update of this, whether how it is doing in this I have propagated in one in this coco peat and other in this water. So let's see which one is doing better. I wanted to show you, see either it is doing good in the water or else in this coco peat. So let's check, and it got some roots, then we'll be potting it in a soil also. So let's check guys. First we'll check what is happening in this water ones. Okay, I have also put this pothos in this. Okay, fine. So let's check guys. So these are the Peperomia scandens which I have propagated in water. See, see there are no roots at all. It's been a month guys. See, hasn't got any roots till now, and as you can see, but yeah, the cuttings are doing well in this. I mean, there is no rot, nothing. I'm regularly changing the water as I told you. See, there is one more here also. This water cutting I'll show you. So, here, this one. See, this one, small one, I have put it in this. This is a bottle guys, I recycle. Some small bottles I just recycle like this. See, these also I put this one in this, and this has also not got any roots. If you can see, no roots. Maybe I think you'll be getting, but it is taking a lot of time. Fine, now we'll go to the coco peat ones. So let's check this one guys. So on that day, as you have like if you can see my other video, I've also removed all these leaves. So what I've did, I have just put these leaves in this coco peat like this, and let's remove these and see. Okay, see, look at these guys. See how beautifully these rooted. See, it is even growing with the single leaf. As it is a succulent, definitely it will be growing from the leaves also. Okay, so now we'll see our cuttings, how they are doing. Okay, we'll check this. As you can see guys, look at this one. See how nicely it has rooted. Yeah, it hasn't got much of roots, but still, as you can see, these are doing well in the coco peat. I have put it in bright light indoor itself. I haven't taken it out since then. It is doing indoor itself. So now I thought of as it got the roots, I thought of making a video on this and show you that coco peat is better for the succulent. You can always propagate all type of succulents in the coco peat. Let's see this cutting. This one hasn't got much roots, but yeah, roots have begun here. As you can see these roots, they are coming out. So okay, fine, these will do more better in the soil. What we will do is we will just pot it in the soil, so that, as I told you that day, I didn't have any ceramic pots with me, but now I have this Buddha pot with me. Yeah, so let's pot it in this. See, it has this hole for the drainage, and I have put this little stone to cover the drainage hole. And here I have taken the potting mix, and what I have taken here is 50% of garden soil and sand, 25% and 25% of vermicompost. Okay, let's mix this. So this is a better succulent mixture. You have to always keep in mind that you must add sand in the mixture for the better drainage, because succulent needs good drainage, well drained soil. That's what I mean. Fine. Okay, let's put this. as I already told you the sunlight requirements of this plant and where I'm going to put this plant. As you can see, the area currently where I'm sitting, it is a bright area, guys. It is a well lit area. In this kind of area only I'm going to put my plant. See, at least you should have this much of the brightness where you are putting your plant. It should get the indirect sunlight, or else you can put it in semi shade area also. It will do better in that place also. I don't want to fill this pot completely because you know, I want these to fall apart, then these will grow. So see, this one is, now what we'll do is we'll pot our cuttings. See, this one, it has got little bit of roots only here and here, so this one I'm going to pot first. I really love this peperomia, guys. You no need to take care much. You know, these plants, they'll grow very easily. It took around 1 month, but you know, I think I have watered it only twice since then, because it is a coco peat. As you know, coco peat has the capacity to retain the moisture. It will retain moisture, so that's the reason you no need to water it again and again. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll take these cuttings also and I'll put this one also in soil. As you have seen that these are not growing, roots are not growing here in this water. What I'll do, I'll just take a chance, I'll put it in the soil and see, they might grow, they might get the roots. If I really if it will happen, I'll definitely share the update with you in another video of mine. I'll just share it, a small tip about this one also. Don't do this. Many people, what they'll do, first they'll moist the soil, then they'll put the cutting. No, you should not do like that. As this is a succulent mixture, first you need to put this one in dry soil itself. Okay, lovely, fine. Then you need to pour water. Drench it completely in water for the first time. Then you only water whenever you feel the upper half inch of the soil is dry, then only you water it. If you are keeping it indoor, you have to keep an eye on watering, guys. There is only one problem in these kind of plants, is only overwatering. Overwatering will rot it. If not, these will do lovely in this soil, no worries. The same kind of potting mix you can use. No need of succulent soil mix or something other soil mix. You don't need to buy a soil mix for this. And these, I'm keeping it like these. See, all of them rooted. I'll show you. See, this small one also. These all of them, they rooted very well. See here. See how well these got leaves. These got roots. So I'm just waiting for some miracle to happen. So I'll just keep this like this. Fine, guys. So how do you like this one? This is looking lovely, isn't it? So you just need to pour water and it will be done. So how is this, guys? Please comment and let me know if you like my video and how do you like my video. Okay, and one of the video I'm going to do is later on in this on this cup planter, guys. As you can see, I have propagated, this is Aralia I have propagated this one in a cup in a cocoa peat. I do these kind of experiments. See, this one, this broke here a bit. So what I did, I made it like a planter, and you can see this also has a hole in it. So I'll definitely show you how I did this in my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. Please like my video if you like it, and share with your friends. As I always tell, share plants with your friends and make the planet green. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.